Where can you find unique macaron flavors and nice? If you have a sweet tooth and are curious about where to find unique macaron flavors in New York City, you are in for a treat. This city is home to some amazing bakeries that put their own spin on these delightful French confections. Let's take a closer look at some of the best spots to satisfy your macaron cravings. First up is Bakeries Max, located in Brooklyn. This bakery is known for its impressive variety of over 50 flavors. Each macaron reflects the diverse neighborhoods of Brooklyn. For instance, you can try the tiramisu flavor, which pays homage to Bensonhurst's Italian roots. Another standout is the pineapple strawberry tahini, inspired by Sunset Park's Mexican community. If you are feeling adventurous, the baklava macaron captures the essence of Bay Ridge. Next, we have Dana's Bakery, which is also in New York City. This bakery takes a fun twist on the traditional French macaron by incorporating American flavors. You can find unique options like cranberry orange and white chocolate peppermint. If you are in the mood for something playful, try the waffle cone sundae or the root beer float. Each bite combines familiar American tastes with the delicate texture of macarons. If you are looking for gluten-free options, Thierry Atlin in Soho is a great choice. They focus on strong flavors and seasonal fruits. You can enjoy macarons filled with chocolate or fruity options like passion fruit, blueberry, and raspberry. Another charming spot is Bozy Tea Parlor, where you can enjoy artisanal teas paired with macarons. Their pistachio macaron is a delightful treat that balances flavors perfectly in a cozy atmosphere. Lastly, Dominique and Sel Bakery and Latteray are well known for their classic macarons, but they also offer seasonal flavors that can surprise you. While they may lean toward traditional, you might just find something creative when you visit. New York City truly has a vibrant macaron scene. Whether you are in Brooklyn or Manhattan, there are plenty of options to indulge in unique flavors. From culturally inspired choices to American classics, your macaron adventure awaits. So grab a friend and start tasting your way through these delightful dessert spots.